Hello बच्चों, here is one more program for finding area of square and rectangle using switch case. Here I am finding only area of only two shapes, but when you will do this practical, you will add more shapes like circle and triangle. So let's start. Here also, as I told you, now onwards जो भी प्रोग्राम हम करेंगे we will use scanner class only. So again I have used scanner class using import java.util.scanner. Then my class name is here area, and then I have started my main, which is most important. Let's start again. I have made one object of scanner class sc, and then you assigned memory using new keyword system.in for the input. I'm telling you again and again. Then here I'm starting my program. First of all, when you are using switch case, you have to give choice to the user. So here I have given 3 choice to the user, but before that I'm asking them कि enter your option. मतलब जो भी option हम दे रहे हैं यूज़र को, they have to choose out of them. Like my first option is SOP 1 for area of square. मतलब if you want to find out area of square, then user has to enter 1. If they want to find area of rectangle, then they have to enter 2. And if just they want to exit, they don't want to do anything, then they have to enter 0. So these 3 I'm giving option to the user. Then I have taken one variable OP. OP is used for the option and its data type is int. As I told you कि for the choice either you can use integer or character. So here I'm using option as an integer. So again whatever value 1, 2 or 0 user will enter, it will store into OP. So let's start our switch case. So for that, first you need to write switch. It's compulsory to write switch, and variable which you have taken, that you have to write into the bracket. So here I have written OP. Now please remember, don't use semicolon over here, because semicolon means end of the line, and here our switch case is not going to be end. It has so many statements. So let's start with our switch case. One curly bracket you have to use with the switch. Only one curly bracket we are going to use in the switch. One for the beginning and one for the ending. So in between switch, it's compulsory to write case, CASE, and then space and 1. Here if case 1, again your case is keyword, so it will appear in a white color, and I have kept space between case and 1. Then I have used colon. This sign is known as colon. It's compulsory to do this. Then after I'm starting my first option, that is area of square. So you all are knowing, to find the area of square our formula is side into side. So first of all you have to ask user to enter the sides. So here also I'm writing SOP system.out.println enter sides. मतलब when user will enter the side, I will store it into the X. X is again I am declaring one more variable with the integer data type, and then I'm applying the formula AS. One more variable I have taken AS मतलब area of square, in which I am going to store side into side. So here the value of side is stored into X, so that is why I'm just multiplying X into X, मतलब side into side, and which is going to store in AS, मतलब my final answer is stored into AS. So now I have to display AS. So that is why I am using SOP area of square. Then it's not necessary you will use this symbol only, you can use any symbol. Here I am using this colon symbol, and then plus AS, मतलब जो भी वैल्यू स्टोर हुई है AS में you will get that value, means your output will be area of square and the value of AS. And then it's compulsory to write break after each case. So now one case is over, so I'm just going to write the second case. Again same, you have to write case 2, and my second case is about the area of rectangle. So you all are knowing what is the formula of area of rectangle. So that is why you have 2 values here. You need 2 values here, length and breadth. So I'm asking user to enter length and breadth. the value of length I'm storing into L, and then value of breadth I'm going to store into B. So two more variable I have declared here. Then the multiplication of L into B I have to store in one more variable, so that is I have taken AR. So AR matlab area of rectangle. You can take any name, but AR matlab area of rectangle, so you have to take some relevant name. Now AR is equals to L into B, matlab length into breadth, and your answer will be stored into AR. So now the time to display the answer. For that again you have to use SOP, and here I'm writing area of rectangle and then plus AR, मतलब your output will be area of rectangle, and जो भी value आपने लिया होगा it will display that. Then again I'm writing break, so my second case is also over. Now the case 0, why I have taken 0 as an exit? So if you want to increase more cases in this program, so you can take 3, 4, 5, 6, and 0 will be fixed for the exit. So in this you don't need to do anything, just write down the break and you will come out of the program. Then so many times I have told you in the classroom what is the use of default. Matlab if user will not enter any choice out of 1, 2 or 0, so it will move to the default and it will display invalid choice. After that I'm just overing this bracket which I have open for the switch case, then the second bracket for the main, and the third bracket for the class. In this way this program will be over.